Let's talk about a worldview that will allow you to create your reality much more effectively than the worldview that you were born with, that society has planted in your mind, in your consciousness. So typically, we believe that we are this body and mind. We are this person within this gigantic world where everything operates separately and independently than us, right? And to create the life that we want, we have to change our life. We have to constantly work to improve our reality and then force change within this current big world where everybody else is also trying to change their reality, and this world where there are limited resources and limited abundance for everybody. So only a few can really get to that amazing life that they want. And there's competition between all of us. And if we work hard enough, we might create the change that we want to and get some of that abundance that is only limitedly available to just a few amount of people. Okay, so that's the typical worldview that we're born with. Now, a worldview that will serve you, a worldview that will actually help you create your reality, and a worldview that is much more accurate to the truth and more aligned with the truth as compared to this worldview, is to look at your world, to look at your reality, everything that you constantly experience, as a dream within your consciousness. Think about it this way. Have you ever experienced anything outside of your consciousness? Anything that you have ever experienced throughout your life, no matter good or bad, you've been conscious of it, right? Have you ever experienced something that you weren't conscious of? No, you haven't, because consciousness is inseparable from experience. You need the observer to experience whatever you are experiencing. So a much more accurate worldview, one that will really serve you, is to believe and over time build this perception yourself that everything is occurring within this consciousness. Your entire experience that you are experiencing, including all the people within it, all the opportunities, all the, whatever you do for work, your health, your body, everything, including this person that you have painted in this picture, is just part of this particular dream. So similar to when you go to sleep at night, and you dream of this whole world, and you are also this one person within the dream that is experiencing this whole reality, this whole world. And this whole world exists within your mind, right? Within your consciousness. But then you wake up and you realize that it was just all in your head. While you were dreaming, you believe that everything is separate. You literally are experiencing it like you experience reality. But when you wake up, you realize that it was just all in your head. Just like that, reality, physical reality, what you are experiencing right now, is a dream within consciousness. All of it is actually within consciousness rather than your consciousness being within this gigantic world that you now have to navigate. Try to feel into what I'm saying. Try to create this clear distinction between you being in the world as compared to the world being within your consciousness. It's a projection of your consciousness. You are at all times watching one movie based on your current perspective. What is your current perspective? What is your relationship to yourself? What is your relationship to the world? That is what you're going to experience in this particular frame of reality that you have manifested. That will become your world. You will experience that world as your experience. Now, to create something different, just start watching a different movie. choose a different movie in which you are a different person, in which your world operates differently than it does currently. Now, when you just begin to do this, there's not going to be that many crazy changes, right? Because your current worldview, your mind will not allow those changes. But over time, as you begin to truly sense this worldview as the truth, you will allow your reality to change more and more and more. As you truly build this perception and start to consider this worldview as the truth, as opposed to your previous one where you think you're the little person in this big world, things will truly start shifting for you. That's the true power we have. Our true power does not lie within forging changes within the current frame of reality that has manifested. Our true power, our free will, lies in choosing a new movie, to project a new world that is more to our liking. Now, you are already doing this every moment of the day. Every single moment of the day, you are already projecting a new world. Right now, it's just happening unconsciously. And you don't even know that you are in charge of this power. You have completely just given it away to your unconscious mind. But you can become conscious of this slowly. Matter of fact, that is what the whole spiritual journey is all about. Becoming more and more aligned with the truth. Realizing your own self as creator. As the chooser of the dream that you want to manifest. As the chooser of the movie that you want to project, to watch. That is where your free will lies. Not in creating change within the current reality, because it's impossible. And that's a topic for a different video. But instead, your free will lies in choosing to project something new. A new world, a new personality, a new body, a new mode of operation, a new movie, a new script. That's what your true power is. And all of it is not outside of you. All of it exists within your consciousness, just like your entire dream exists just within your head. But you only realize this from a different perspective. When you're in the dream, you don't know that. You just think everything is real, and you think everything is separate from you. You wake up and you're like, wow, that was just all in my head. Just like that. All of reality, what you experience, is just a projection within your consciousness. It's just a movie that your consciousness is watching. You are the consciousness. You are your awareness. You are your attention. That is what we refer to as soul. And your true power as you, as that soul, as that awareness, is to choose whichever movie you want to watch. Most of us right now are completely unaware of this power. But little by little, as you venture off onto this personal mastery quest, you gain access to that power more and more and more, and realize your power as creator. So stop waiting. Literally start creating. All right? If you'd like to work with me one-on-one and get deeper into this and take advantage of my new program that I'm about to launch soon, which allows you to create your reality in this way and realize more of yourself as creator, link is in the description box below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.